Credit Saint Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how many credit repair services promise miracles, but Credit Saint takes a more structured approach in 2025. Credit Saint is a professional credit repair company that helps users dispute inaccurate or outdated items on their credit reports. The process starts with pulling your credit reports from all three major bureaus. Credit Saint then identifies questionable negative items and sends dispute letters on your behalf. This can save users significant time and stress. One major pro is transparency. Credit Saint clearly outlines what they can and cannot do. They don't promise overnight results, which is refreshing in an industry known for exaggeration. Many users see improvements within 3 to 6 months, depending on their situation. However, most people get this wrong. Credit repair does not erase legitimate debt. If negative marks are accurate, they may remain. Credit Saint also charges monthly fees, which can add up over time. Another downside is that motivated individuals can technically dispute items themselves for free, though requires patience and knowledge. In conclusion, Credit Saint is best for people who want professional help navigating credit disputes. If time and convenience matter more than doing it yourself, the service can be a valuable investment.